Meet the Nextbase 622GW. If you're looking for a product that is easy to operate, with a simple interface and very little fuss, then we guarantee that the Nextbase 622GW is the answer to your needs. This camera has a number of great features, including a large 3-inch touchscreen, the ability to record up to 4K footage at 30 FPS, and an easy-to-mount design. The Nextbase 622GW has a quick release lock, meaning you can easily remove it from your car when not in use if you're worried about it being stolen. It also has a suction cup holder as an alternative installation option. Like the other cameras on this list, this camera has a setup tool that also makes the setup easy. The Nextbase 622GW has the ability to record motion videos and a large button to protect important recordings from being overwritten. A quick tap on the touchscreen also takes a photo in no time. You can then use this touchscreen to scroll through your captured images and play them back without having to move them to another device. This model is an updated version of the company's best dashcam, packed with many great features, including smooth image stabilization, improved night vision, super slow mode, extreme weather recording, and other capabilities. It's also worth noting that Nextbase also has a system that helps you easily send footage to your local police force, which is pretty cool. The 3-inch rear touchscreen is sharp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of What 3 Words pairs well with Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, which you get a free 1-year subscription with this camera. And finally, the Nextbase 622GW offers vastly improved video quality and incredible stabilization, along with the inclusion of What 3 Words geolocation services to locate wrecked vehicles within a 3-meter radius. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.